A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to ANB Exam Forum. ANB Exam Forum में आपका स्वागत है. And in today's session, we are going to see the RTI replies. Okay, so आज के सेशन में हम जो भी RTI replies मांगी गई हैं, basically from the number of application and the expected exam date that we are going to see. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's begin the session. So as usual, the outline of the session that first we will see the RTI replies compilation, okay, and we will see the number of application received zone wise, okay. So wherever the sources which I found zone wise, I have compiled all the applications received from different zone wise, and the next we are going to do the competition analysis, okay, for which zone, like how much is the competition level. Okay, so let's see it. So this is a compilation. Okay, so if you see this table, there are 4 columns. First one is the zone, okay, second one is the available post, like different posts are there na. So for each zone there are some count of post is there, okay, so those are available post, and after that total number of application received, and we will going to calculate competition per seat. Okay, so these are the zones as you know, and if you see, like for few of the zone like I am not able to get the total number of applications, okay, and based on this information I have computed competition per seat. Okay, so if we see, like for Kolkata region, it is approximately 10 lakh application has been received. Okay, and if you calculate competition per seat, it will be number of application divided by available posts, so it will be 744, a very huge number in fact. If you see the second one, it is 9 lakh applications. Okay, 9 lakh application for Bhubaneswar. Okay, so Bhubaneswar zone is also hot zone, and where if you see the competition per seat, it is 1263, again a huge number. Okay, for Ahmedabad if you see, it is 777. For Bilaspur it is approximately 700. For Chennai it is 785, a huge number. And Guwahati, that is northeast part, if you see, it is 1229, again a very huge number. Okay, so competition is very huge. You are thinking like you have to fight with 1,000 of candidates, right? But there is a different picture. I will show you that these numbers are not the correct way. The correct way, one of the correct way could be like this. We will see the stage wise. Okay, so like for stage 1, as you know, it is 15 times, and if you don't know, you can see the selection process. So where we tell you like what is the selection process for RRB NTPC through flow chart from beginning to end. Okay, so for stage 1, like we know, it is 15 times for the total number of applications. Okay, so total number of available posts are 516, so we are going to multiply this number with 15. So I have multiplied all these available posts with the 15. Okay, so now the number of posts has increased because they will call 15 times. Okay, and one more thing, this 20% absent, 20% I have reduced from the total number of application. Okay, this number is again not a fixed. I have considered like some of the student might not attend exam, some applications are rejected, so based on that 20% I feel it is a nominal number, so I have considered in that way. Okay, so 20% of these applications I have considered. Okay, and now the new competition analysis, if you see, like competition per seat, for previously like Guwahati it is 1229, Okay, per seat now it is 66. Okay, although the ratio will be same, but you can see that the number of person you are fighting for a seat is drastically reduced. It is 66. Okay, so you are going to fight with 66 people if you are if you have applied for the Guwahati region. Let's see the Chennai region. In Chennai region it is 42. Only the 42 person you are going to fight. Okay, for stage 1, again it is not the final one, for the stage 1. Okay, and let's see the next. It is Bhubaneswar. It is 67, a good number, but the number of competition per seat is drastically reduced. Okay, you can also think like since we have like increase the post and reduce the number of applications, so obviously this competition per seat will be reduced as per the fitment factor what we have considered. Okay, so you can see the zone wise from where you have applied. Mostly people generally used to apply for Bhubaneswar, Bilaspur. Why? Because the number of applications are more, and one more is Kolkata, where you have 1382 applications. Okay, in Kolkata again like it is very less. If you see, it is 40 for Kolkata. It is a very good number, again a 40. Okay, so let's see for the undergraduate level also in the similar manner. So if you see in undergraduate, like whatever the applications we are able to find, it is Ahmedabad where we found 3,35,000, where initially the competition per seat is 1596, and if you see Bilaspur, it is approximately 2 lakh application received. Competition per seat is 1351. Similarly, 48,000 competition per seat is 276. You can consider why this is reduced. So if you see the Bilaspur region of the previous one, you have received 4,51,000 applications, but here you have received only 2 lakh application, because you can see the number of posts are here is less. So that's why people are generally tend to ignore those zones. Okay, let's see the stage wise, like as I told you, it is 15 times for graduate level. I know for undergraduate it would be similar. Okay, so similar criteria I have followed, and again the 25% reduction, 25% reduction in the total number of application received, based like it is like most of the student will be absent in stage 1, and some of the application would be rejected. All those factors I have considered. After that, the new competition analysis per seat, if you see, for whatever the RTI we got is 85 for the Ahmedabad, a very huge number. If you see all of the undergraduate and graduate, this Ahmedabad zone undergraduate is like highly competitive seat. 85 a candidate should fight. Okay, and for Bilaspur again a good number, 72. So 72 candidates per seat are fighting for a single seat. Okay, and Guwahati it is very less, it is 15. Okay, so for undergraduate who have applied for the Guwahati from the based on the information given, okay, so 15 is very a very minute competition. Okay, so those who have applied for Guwahati, they have chosen the best zone. Okay, so as per the RTI there are other zone, there's a very like 10 more zones are there, so we have not able to get the information. If you have those such information, you can share with me on my mail id. My mail id is STA B exam forum, STA B exam forum, this is our previous channel name. Okay, at outlook.com. Okay, you can share those information with us, or you can simply comment in our comment box. Okay, Coming to the date of exam, like all of you are eagerly waiting for your RRB NTPC exam. So people are saying that it would be in April. Okay, so the expected exam date is April 2025. Okay, maybe first or second week. Okay, so you have only 1 or 2 months for preparation, so prepare it well, and hope you got some insight about all these RRB and TPC vacancies. Okay, and if you have anything to say, you can write in our comment box. We will be very happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.